In parts of the Himalayas, getting supplies to a military post can still involve mules, porters, or helicopters. An Odisha startup is working on another option: fly the cargo there. BonV Aero is building electric drones designed to carry heavy loads through difficult terrain and at high altitudes. One of its drones has demonstrated a 30-kilogram payload at 19,024 feet. The higher you go, the thinner the air gets. There is less lift available, while the aircraft still has to carry meaningful weight, manage its energy, and remain stable. BonV has also demonstrated a 20-kilogram payload over 60 kilometers beyond the operator's visual line of sight. So it is working on different parts of the same challenge: payload, altitude, and distance. And these are problems India has very real reasons to solve. From high-altitude defense logistics and remote communities to difficult terrain and infrastructure projects, geography itself can make the last mile expensive and complicated. BonV has tested vaccine delivery in Uttarakhand. It is also piloting drones for electrical grid line stringing across remote terrain. The interesting technology isn't only the aircraft you can see. It is the propulsion, battery, and energy systems, autonomous navigation, and flight control software that determine whether the drone can actually carry useful cargo through these environments. The opportunity may not simply be to build drones in India. If systems like these can reliably move meaningful loads across those conditions, drones could begin to play a larger role in logistics itself. Not just observing hard-to-reach places, but helping move things through them. Subscribe to Nasscom for more stories from India's technology ecosystem.